Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the World and U.S. History Content Knowledge Test? This is exam code 5941. Praxis 5941 is an exam with several subtopics. This worked solutions set covers the subtopic of United States history to 1877. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Let's jump right in. Problem number 1. Which of the following best describes the economic impact of slavery in the British American colonies and the United States? Slavery only impacted the economic development of the southern colonies. Slavery had no quantifiable economic impact. Slavery contributed to the growth of agricultural industries such as tobacco and cotton. Or slavery led to the decline of agricultural production. While slavery was most prominent in the southern colonies, its economic effects were felt nationwide, influencing markets, trade, and economic policies across the entire country. So this is incorrect. The claim that slavery had no quantifiable economic impact is incorrect, as the wealth generated by slave labor is well documented. So let's eliminate that as well. Slavery did not lead to the decline of agricultural production. Rather, it significantly increased production. So we can cross that out as well. The correct answer is that slavery contributed to the growth of agricultural industries such as tobacco and cotton. The labor provided by enslaved people was crucial in cultivating these cash crops, which became major exports and drove the economic development of the colonies and the early United States. So slavery contributed to the growth of agricultural industries such as tobacco and cotton is the correct answer here. Problem number 2. Which of the following was a significant failure of the Articles of Confederation that led to the adoption of the United States Constitution? Absence of a national judiciary. Failure to establish a national currency. Inability to regulate interstate commerce, or a lack of a strong central government. The absence of a national judiciary meant there was no mechanism to resolve disputes between states or interpret laws consistently. So we can cross that out. The failure to establish a national currency led to economic instability as states issued their own currencies, causing inflation and trade difficulties. So we can eliminate that answer as well. The inability to regulate interstate commerce resulted in economic fragmentation and conflict among states. So let's cross that out as well. However, the primary and most overarching failure was the lack of a strong central government. The Articles of Confederation created a weak federal government that could not enforce laws, levy taxes, or maintain a standing army, leading to inefficiencies and vulnerabilities that necessitated the stronger, more centralized framework provided by the United States Constitution. Therefore, lack of a strong central government is the correct answer here. Problem number 3. The Reconstruction era in the United States refers to the period immediately following the War of 1812, Declaration of Independence, American Civil War, or American Revolutionary War. The War of 1812 occurred much earlier, from 1812 to 1815, and did not involve the extensive rebuilding and reintegration of states that characterized Reconstruction. So let's eliminate that answer. The Declaration of Independence was issued in 1776 and marked the beginning of the American Revolutionary War, which ended in 1783 but did not lead to a period of Reconstruction. So we can cross that out as well. The American Revolutionary War was followed by the establishment of a new nation, not a Reconstruction era. So let's cross that out also. The correct answer here is the American Civil War, which ended in 1865. The Reconstruction era refers to the period immediately following the Civil War, from 1865 to 1877, when the United States focused on rebuilding the South, integrating formerly enslaved people into society, and reestablishing Southern states within the Union. So the correct answer here is the American Civil War. Problem number 4. Which of the following best describes the role of innovation and technological advancements in the development of the market economy in the United States? Innovation and technological advancements had a limited impact on the market economy. Innovation and technological advancements played a crucial role in driving the development of the market economy. The market economy in the United States relied primarily on imported technologies from other countries, or the market economy relied solely on traditional methods of production and did not incorporate technological advancements. Innovation and technological advancements had a profound impact on the market economy, transforming production processes, increasing efficiency, and enabling the growth of new industries. So let's cross that out. The assertion that the market economy relied mainly on imported technologies is inaccurate. While some technologies were adopted from other countries, the United States developed many significant innovations domestically. So let's cross that out as well. The idea that the market economy relied solely on traditional methods ignores the numerous technological breakthroughs that revolutionized various sectors. So we can eliminate that answer as well. The correct answer is that innovation and technological advancements played a crucial role in driving the development of the market economy. These advancements, such as the cotton gin, steam engine, telegraph, and assembly line, significantly boosted productivity, reduced costs, and expanded markets, fueling economic growth and industrialization. Therefore, the correct answer is innovation and technological advancements played a crucial role in driving the development of the market economy. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions that you can expect to find about the subtopic of United States history to 1877 for the Praxis 5941 World and U.S. History exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.